These are simple Ohm's law and power problems. Part 1. Ohm's law states that I is equal to V over R. I here stands for current in amps, V is voltage in volts, and R is resistance in ohms. For problem 37, we're asked to find or show that the current drawn by a toaster is 8 amps when it has a heating element of 15 ohms and it's connected to a 120 volt outlet. So we apply the equation Ohm's law, I is equal to V over R, and divide 120 volts by 15 ohms to end up with 8 amps. We repeat it for problems 38 and 39, where the voltage here is 6 volts divided by 1000 ohms to give us 0.006 amps. And for problem 39, we have 120 volts divided by 240 ohms, and we get zero point 0.5 amps. Electrical power, symbolized by P, is the product of I and V, where I is your current in amps and V is your voltage in volts. For problem 40, we have an electric toy. It draws zero point 0.5 amps from a 120 volt outlet, and we're asked to show that the toy consumes 60 watts of power. So we use the equation power is I times V, multiplying zero point 0.5 amps of current by 120 volts to give us 60 watts. For problem 41, again, we're asked to calculate for power. It operates on 120 volts, this hair dryer, and it draws a current of 10 amps. So again, power is I times V. We multiply current of 10 amps by 120 volts of voltage to get 1200 watts. You'll notice here that both of the electrical devices are plugged into 120 volts, but the one that has a higher current rating has a higher power rating.